In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update inventory on Shopify. Keeping your inventory up to date is crucial for managing your online store efficiently, ensuring you can meet customer demand, and preventing overselling and backorders. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're fully equipped to handle your inventory like a pro. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Make sure you have admin access since updating inventory requires permissions that might not be available to all users. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the admin dashboard, which is your central hub for all store operations. At this point, look towards the left sidebar and click on Products. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently offer in your store. Now, from this list, identify the product whose inventory you'd like to update. When you find it, click on its title to open the product details page. On the product details page, there are various categories, but your focus should be on the inventory section. Here, you'll see current stock levels and, if you've configured it, the SKU, which helps in tracking and management. There's a clear field where you can update the quantity available. Simply enter the new stock level and ensure it reflects the actual inventory you have. If your product has variants, say different sizes or colors, make sure you update the inventory for each variant individually since they are tracked separately. You'll find these variants listed right below the main product details. Click on each variant, and a similar inventory field will allow you to update its stock. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your work by hitting the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. It's a crucial step because unsaved changes mean your inventory adjustments won't take effect. Sometimes, you might need to update multiple products at once. For this, go back to the product list and utilize the bulk editor. Start by selecting the products you want to update by checking the boxes next to them. A Bulk Actions drop-down appears at the top. Select Edit Products. From here, you'll be able to add or adjust inventory levels for multiple items in a spreadsheet-like format, which is both time-efficient and straightforward. Updating inventory is not just about stock levels, it's also about maintaining consistency and accuracy across all sales channels where your products are listed. This way, customers can rely on the information presented when they're making a purchase, minimizing disappointment and increasing trust in your store. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your Shopify store's inventory up to date. With regular updates, you'll ensure your store runs smoothly and efficiently, leaving your customers happy and returning for more. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and guidance.